This house in Palakkad, Kerala, was designed for a UAE-based family with one simple dream: to build a home that brings everyone together. After years of living abroad, they wanted a house that felt open, welcoming, and connected to nature. As you arrive, you're welcomed through a calm entrance that gradually prepares you for what's inside. The foyer acts as a transition between the outside world and the warmth of home. To one side sits the formal living room, a space designed for receiving guests, having conversations, while private enough for visitors. The house suddenly opens into a large family hall where living, dining, and kitchen spaces come together as one continuous environment. There are no unnecessary barriers here. Parents can relax in the living area while still being part of conversations happening in the kitchen. Children can move freely between spaces. Family gatherings flow naturally from one corner to another. At the center of this experience is a green internal courtyard. More than a design feature, this courtyard becomes the heart of the home. Natural light pours in throughout the day. Fresh air moves through the interiors, and the presence of greenery brings a sense of calm into everyday life. Rising above it is the staircase, transforming a simple circulation space into a memorable architectural moment. Wherever you stand in the main hall, the courtyard remains visible, constantly connecting the family to light, nature, and each other. Beside it, the open kitchen becomes an active part of family life. Cooking is no longer hidden away behind walls. Instead, it becomes part of conversations, celebrations, and everyday interactions. A large bay window invites natural light deep into the room while creating a peaceful corner to sit, read, or simply enjoy the garden views outside. Longiness is a home designed for a family returning to its roots.